Hi everyone, I'm Shaunak Dasgupta from Computer is Fun, and today I have came with a new topic in Excel. I hope you have seen my other videos. Please subscribe and like my channel and hit the notification bell to get all the notifications. So let's come to the topic. So today's topic is about age. How to make an age calculator in Excel. So what will happen? You have to write the birth date and I will give the today formula in the current date, and this is only the heading, and it will show how many years you are living, how many months you are living, and how many days you are living. Okay, so let's start it. So the birth date I am not writing now because I have to write it when I have finished the whole thing. So the current date, to get the current date with a formula, you need to type equal to today. It came and closed the bracket without writing anything. So today's date is 12/18/18/12. So the age in nothing, and in the years you will write equal to dated dated if. It does not show the option, but it exists in Excel. So dated if, and it needs 3 arguments. So for that I need the birth date. So I am selecting this, and then comma, and give the current date, and then again comma, and then you need a string of how you want the date to be given, years, months or days. So to give the years, these years, you need the Y in capital letters or it will not work, and then close the bracket. So it has came 120, and in the months you will write equal to dated if, and then again bracket, and select this comma, this comma, and quotes, and inside the quotes there will be, if you want that in the birth how many years you have lived, it will show 120. No, I have not given the birth date, so it is showing 120. And if you want to, if you can give the M string if you want to show how many months you have lived totally, but if you want how many years and months you have lived, you can give this command, this string YM, and close the bracket and press enter. So here I have lived 120 years and 11 months, but it is not a true statement. I will give my birth date. You can always see. So that in the days likely the same, equal to dated if and bracket start, and birth date B1, and then comma B2, and then comma quotes, and inside the quotes will be MD, because I don't want how many days you have lived in total. I want how many years, how many months, and how many days you have lived in total. So MD, and then close the bracket. Okay. So now the most interesting part is, if I write the birth date, will it come? Let us test it. Right. So my birth date is 4/4/2011. Yes. So I am 9 years old. 9 years, 8 months and 14 days old. So I hope this is all for today. I hope you liked my video. So please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay with us all over. So bye. Try making this. It's very simple. And mind it that you cannot select the data diff from the option list in the Excel because it exists in Excel, but you can't get it as a diff in general formulas that come in options when you write equal to and the formula. So bye from Computer is Fun. Next time I will make another video.